Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to reuse notes, templates or layouts in Goodnotes, duplicating pages is one of the fastest ways to stay organized and save time. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to duplicate pages in Goodnotes in 2026 quickly and efficiently. First thing first, open your notebook. So launch Goodnotes, open the notebook you want, for example. So first thing first, you have to make a notebook. Okay, so for example like this. Navigate to the page you want to duplicate, for example, when you create your notebook. Okay, make sure you are on the correct page first. Okay, so here's the page. So open the page view, so thumbnail view, tap the 4 square icon left or top left corner. Okay, and this opens all pages in grid view. So this is where you manage pages easily. Okay, so select the page to duplicate, so tap select page. Okay, after that tap the page or multiple pages. You can choose one or many pages at once. Duplicate the page now, so tap copy after that, then tap paste. Okay, so tap the page, choose duplicate if available, and then a copy will appear right after the original page. Okay, so move the duplicate pages. This is optional. Tap and hold the duplicate page and drag it to your design position. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.